Welcome to My Natural Hair Delight, where you can enjoy rocking your natural hair with all natural ingredients. In today's video, I am unboxing some hair growth ingredients for your natural hair. And so I am showing you all some ingredients that I use in the hair growth butter and hair growth oil. This is the unrefined mango butter, okay? When it is unrefined, that means it has not gone through a bleaching process. It is simply pure and high quality, okay? The castor oil is cold pressed. It has not been bleached. It has not been refined. It is purely 100% castor oil, okay? That's what you want to use on your hair. You want to make sure that any kind of oils or butters that you use, that it is 100% what it says it is. That's why I always check the ingredients on the back of the hair products to make sure that, hey, if it says castor oil, it needs to be 100% castor oil, okay? This is the cold pressed grapeseed oil, in which I also use in the hair growth oil and hair growth butter, okay? This is the African black soap, in which I use in the Rosemary Delight hair growth shampoo, and it lathers very well, which is why I use it. And it has all natural ingredients for your hair, okay? You can also use it on your skin. This is the cocoa butter. This is the cold pressed cocoa butter, in which I use in the hair growth butter to make sure that it has a nice balance of the mango butter and the cocoa butter mixed together, so that it can form into the perfect whipped texture, okay? You want to make sure that your hair growth butters or your hair butters are not too soft and not too hard. You want it like right in between, so that it can form into the perfect texture that you're looking for, okay? All right, so we are pulling out this heavy coconut oil. Now, what I typically like to do with the coconut oil is I like to use it as a leave-in conditioner, and I also use it as an everyday hair moisturizer, okay? This is something that I have started using when I first went natural, when I went completely natural, never looked back. I have used the coconut oil as a hair moisturizer, okay? And you can also use it as a leave-in conditioner. This is something that I use right after I wash my hair, and it works out perfect. Now, I heard that some people are allergic to coconut oil, and so I would use another oil as a substitute if coconut oil is not the oil that will work for you. But if you've never tried coconut oil, I would highly recommend to give it a try, because it is truly a great oil to use on your hair. But you also want to make sure that you get a good quality coconut oil, extra virgin, unrefined, cold pressed coconut oil, okay? That's what you want to use on your hair and also on your skin if you want to use it as a skin moisturizer, okay? All of the ingredients that you see here are 100% natural, so you can use it on your hair and your skin. And even the shampoo, like the shampoo, I also use it on my skin from time to time, but I mainly use it on my hair because my hair needs that good wash at least every 2 weeks, okay? So that's what I use on my hair, and it lathers very well. So that's another reason why I would use the African black soap as a main base for the shampoo. Now, what makes it a hair growth shampoo? It is simply the rosemary and the cloves that makes your hair grow, okay? So that's why I use it to infuse the oils and to infuse the shampoo. And I also use it in the coconut oil as a hair growth leave-in conditioner, okay? So all of the ingredients are not seen here, but you will be able to receive all of the ingredients. I also have the black seed oil, which is not in this video, simply because it took a little longer for it to ship, but it has shipped in, and so I am able to use all of the ingredients. If you would like to check out more ingredients in the hair growth oil and the hair growth butters, shampoo, and coconut oil, you can simply go to my website at mynaturalhairdelights.com. Pre-order your hair growth oil and your hair growth butter today. You can also pre-order the shampoo and the coconut oil, and I will have it available for you all very soon. It will take at least 4 weeks for the hair growth oil to process and the hair growth butter, simply because it needs time to infuse. Okay, so I'm gonna give it the proper time to infuse, and then it will be fully ready to go. Okay, so thank you all for watching. I hope you all have learned something from this video. If you have found this video helpful, please give it a like, share, and subscribe to My Natural Hair Delight. And I will talk to you all again soon. Have a blessed and wonderful day. Bye-bye.